Make your own churros at home. Scott is here to show us just how easy it can be. Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much. It's great to be here.
It smells delicious in here. Everyone who's come by has wanted it, but I've had to tell them they have to wait because we have a segment to do. So talk to us about what people need to know for making churros at home.
Well, first of all, that it's really easy. So we're San Diablo Churros. We make artisan, gourmet, filled churros.
So yummy.
And so we've been doing it here in Utah for over 6 years. And when the pandemic hit, we're like, gosh, we need to take churros to the people.
Yes,
and so,
the people need
right,
the churros.
Exactly. And so that's why we created the Churro Fiesta in a box, which is what we call the ultimate at-home churro making kit.
Okay.
So it comes with everything you need to make churros. So you open up the kit, you've got your churro maker. Whoops.
Oh.
Churro maker right here.
It's TV.
Here's the churro maker,
Ooh,
and then you fill this with
fancy.
dough, and it's dry mix dough. I'll show you how to do this right now.
All right, let's
And then
do
you
it.
just top it with cinnamon sugar and fill it with dulce de leche. So let me show you how we do this.
How easy. And
because
then I have to say that their slogan is heaven sent wicked good. That's why we're an angel and a devil.
Exactly.
It's the funnest. All right, let's do this.
So this is our dry mix dough. Just add water.
Okay.
All you do is, and we already have our water boiling.
Perfect.
Right here. It's just 1.25 cups of water. We got it right here. We're gonna pour this in there.
All right, easy enough so far. I can boil water and mix. So far, I'm with you.
It's easier than toast, I promise.
Actually, I burn toast
you
all
burn
the time.
toast. So bad example. Bad example. That's okay. So you'll
So
see
we're
that it
mixing
looks like it ends up looking like Play-Doh-like consistency.
Right.
That's exactly what we want.
Perfect.
And so when that's ready to go, just like that, we have dough and we're ready. We already have it loaded in here.
Oh, loaded in this fun little
there's a
contraption.
hollow, there's 9 different nozzles. This one is the hollow nozzle, so it comes out, you can fill it. I'll show you how that works.
Okay.
We also have the oil heating right here. As you can see, you don't need like any fancy fryer or anything.
I was gonna ask about that.
You can air fry also.
Oh, air
know.
frying is a thing right now. It's having a moment.
Is that your thing?
Yeah,
you love
it's
it?
mine.
It's having a moment, yes. So if you want to air fry, absolutely can do that. We have a video showing you about how to do that. This is oil. And so here's a tip. You just hold it straight upside down.
Look at that.
You see it come
so
out?
Easy.
Yeah, see it has the hollow.
Yeah, right there. Look,
Yeah,
this
and so
contraption is so fancy.
And then you just swipe it, stick it in there, and there we go. Look at that.
And then how long are they going to stay in there?
For about 3.5 minutes.
Okay.
You're gonna watch them and make sure that they get golden brown. And magically, look at this. We already have some ready to go.
Ta-da!
Da-da-da-da.
And then you just fill those with whatever filling you want?
And I'm gonna get you whatever filling you want. Today we've got dulce de leche, Nutella.
Nutella.
Oh, she's like, stop right there.
So really quick, how can people find these kits?
So you can go to our website, sandiablochurros.com. We also have a discount code for your viewers. Try that. Oh, wow.
Perfect.
Lots of extra Nutella for you.
Perfect. We'll love it. All right. Churros have never been so easy. Thank you so much for coming on the show.
Yeah, you're welcome. And the discount code for 20% off. How you doing? Is that, yeah? Does that need a cowbell? There we go. 20% off. Fresh Living is the discount code.
Perfect.
And we ship all over the world.
Amazing. All right. Thanks so much for being with us.
You're welcome. Thank you.